Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be turning ordinary peanuts or groundnut into homemade peanut oil or groundnut oil from scratch. The very first thing we are going to do is to make sure we sort out our peanuts. We pick out the stones, dirt and every impurity that we can find. The better our peanuts, the better our oil. This part was definitely not a one woman's job. Thankfully enough, my daughter came in to rescue me, and with 2 pairs of hands the work became much easier and a lot more fun. Our peanuts have been sorted and they are now very clean. The next thing we are going to do is to transfer them into a clean pot and get them roasted on the fire for about 10 to 15 minutes on medium heat. I repeat, medium heat. You don't want to get your peanut burnt. Once roasted, we are going to allow our peanut to cool down a little. We don't want to get our hands roasted as well. After that, we are going to rub them between our hands to remove the skin. This step helps give a clearer and more sparkling peanut oil. After that, we are going to winnow the peanuts to separate the skin. Then we are going to take the peanuts to the commercial grinder and have them ground into a smooth paste. This is because our blender here has no superhero powers, guys. And here comes my favorite part. We are going to transfer the peanut paste into a large bowl and we are going to start kneading it while gradually adding lukewarm water. The lukewarm water helps the oil to separate much more easily. At first I thought, let me use my spatula and save my hands. But my spatula vehemently refused to do the job. So I rolled up my sleeves, washed my hands, and got to work. This gave my hands a serious workout. So, if you have been looking for a free gym membership, you are in the right place. Here it is. As you keep kneading, adding small quantities of water
Little by little, the oil starts separating from the paste. Every time I see the golden drops appearing, I get so excited, like it is the first time. It's such a satisfying feeling, guys. After a good amount of patience and many arm work, here it is, our beautiful, pure, homemade peanut oil. If phones could transmit it, I would have loved to send you, even if it is just a tablespoon of it. Trust me. And before you think the leftover paste is a waste, it is not. Here we don't waste good stuff. It can be transformed into a very crunchy snack called Kuli Kuli. Trust me, once you start eating it, you keep saying, just one more, just one more, until the whole bowl will mysteriously disappear. If you enjoyed hanging out with me today and would like me to do a step-by-step video showing exactly how I produce this crunchy Kuli Kuli snack at home, comment by typing Kuli Kuli. The more comments I see, the sooner I will make the video. So our peanut oil is ready. We are done producing it, and congratulations to us. Now we can confidently produce our groundnut oil at home. Look at how clean and golden it looks. Wow, look at that. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed, stay productive, and I will see you in the next video.